ruling Africa in 100 meters. Congratulations, Ferdinand.
Okay. Let me now ask our hero, Faith Kipyegon, to come here. I did ask her to make some small remarks. She's done all of us proud, and we are really, really happy this morning to host her. Karibu sana.
Sorry. Okay. Your Excellency, sir, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Ruto, it's a pleasure. Yeah.
You cannot be happy.
I'm so excited. I don't know where to start and finish. I'm so emotional to be here. I feel appreciated. I can say like that. To be back home and see this kind of reception is warm my heart. Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, Governor of Nairobi, Johnson Sakaja, President of AK, I'm so glad, I'm so happy. I don't know, I always say I don't know how to say, I don't know, yeah. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Let me start saying thank you very much. I'm so happy and I lack what to say. I was not expecting this, but it's just like a surprise. So let me thank the government of Kenya for the warm welcome back home. Secondly, let me thank my family, my mother, my father, my husband as well, and my daughter. You see, my daughter is very, very happy and excited to be here. Yeah, she was not expecting to see the president. I can say that. Yeah, and I don't know what to say. Let me just say thank you for the warm welcome, and thank you to the Kenyans who really supported me and cheering me wherever I was, in Rome and also in Florence. Yeah, I was with many Kenyans in Paris. I can say walinipea motisha mpaka nikaweka world record. I was not expecting that. I remember I told my coach, nani ataifunja rekodi ya 5,000? 14:06 is not that easy. It's not that easy. But sikuwa najua nitakuwa mwenye nita-break hiyo rekodi. I'm still surprised. I can say like that. I don't have much to say, but thank you very much. As athletes, let me thank athletes also for accompanying me to here. Naeza lia, yani. Yeah, asante sana. Asanteni sana kwa kukuja. Asante sana Mr. President kwa kunialika hapa na kunikaribisha nyumbani. Nimefeel appreciated sana. And I'm the first one to be invited here as an athlete, so I hope motivate many athletes kujua kuwa kubreak rekodi utakaribishwa nyumbani vizuri sana. So nawaambia tung'ang'ane, to break records, tuchenge jina la country yetu iende mbele na let's run clean. Thank you.
Okay, bring some